1. Check to update if your i6S software version is the latest version. We need to prepare a 5V2A USB charger before use. Connect Type-C data to the i6S expansion board. The original lattice line to be repaired is connected to the appropriate seat. We click Test to confirm again whether the lattice line is blown. When we click Activate, we will enter the activation page. Clicking Activate again will bring you to the activation program. The activation result will be displayed in about 5 seconds. We switch the UI page to the red page, click red, and replace the dot matrix line with "It will see" after the red is successful. After connecting the "It will see" lattice line, click Write directly. After writing successfully, all operations are completed. Connect the "It will see" cable to the original cable. After the connection, you need to use the i6S programmer to check again. After the test is normal, install the cable on the mobile phone for function test. If you do not know how the "It will see" cable is connected to the original cable, you can scan the QR code on the back for the installation tutorial.